Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to explain about what is performance testing. Before starting it, if you are new in this channel, please subscribe it. What is the importance of the performance testing? In the performance testing, if like we goes to purchase any mobile or computer, we check its RAM, ROM and all. Mobile RAM we check because if we play any game or anything, it will hang or not. Like this same situation applied on the software as well or application as well. Before going to production, we check the application performance. How much load we can apply, means how much user can log in at a time so that it will not hang. We check performance of the application. How much time application will take to load the page, or it will take to switch to the next page. Like that we check the performance of the application. Now comes first, what is the performance testing? Performance testing nothing but the testing the stability and response time of an application by applying the load. It's called performance testing. Only you have to remember three terms: stability and response time of an application by applying the load. It's called performance testing. Let's understand easily. Performance testing nothing but the testing the stability and response time of an application by applying the load. It's called performance testing. Only three terms you will have to remember. Performance testing nothing but the testing the stability and response time of an application by applying the load. It's called performance testing. Now comes the what is the stability. Three terms we have used in the definition of the performance testing: stability, response time and load. Let's understand first what is the stability. Stability nothing but the ability to withstand with design number of user. It's called stability. Means design number of user. Let's say if customer requirement is on my application 100 user per hour will come, means 100 user will log in 1 hour. Then what is the stability if 100 user will stay on my application? That is called stability. We check the stability that my application should work fine at a load of 100 user. That is called stability. Then next term is response time. Response time nothing but the time taken to send the request to the server and run the program in the server and getting back the response from the server is called response time. Let's understand. If you goes to purchase any item on Amazon, you will enter your user ID and password, then it will log in. When you click on login button, your login ID and password goes to the server, means in the database it will check this is correct user ID or password or not, this is correct or not. Means in backend some program is running, that we check under the database. Means some program is running and that request come to the front end. If you will enter wrong credential, then it will show the error. Like that means how much time it take. First we enter credential and we push to the login button, then it goes to the server and come back to the front end. That is called response time. Means in this duration how much time my application is taking. It is called response time. Now another term we have used, load. Load means while performance testing we apply the virtual load. Means we apply the virtual user means how much user we can apply, means if customer requirement is 100 user will log in 1 hour my application, then that is what is 100 user is a load of my application, that is called load. Means number of user using the application at a particular period of time, it's called load. Means in 1 hour, means in 1 hour how much user is login in my application, that is called load. Only these three terms you will have to remember. First, stability, response time and load. These three terms only. By using these three terms we can easily say what is performance testing. Performance testing nothing but the checking the stability and response time of an application by applying the load. It's called performance testing. Now comes the types of performance testing. How many types are there? There are basically 5 types of performance testing: load testing, stress testing, endurance testing. In endurance testing also we call as soft testing. Second, scalability testing and volume testing. These 5 types of testing is there. Let's understand what one by one. First come to the load testing. What is load testing? Load testing nothing but the testing the stability and response time of an application by applying the load which is less than or equal to the design number of user. Means if customer requirement is that maximum 100 user will come per hour on my application, then in load testing we check the 100 user load, or minimum we can apply less than that as well. What is the response time and stability will be at that time, that we check in the load testing. Let's understand by graph. Here user has come to the login started, and one by one or after some time like that they will come, and in this peak means all 100 user is login and they will stay some time, like 1 hour. This duration is 1 hour. 1 hour they stay, and slowly ramp down will start. Then they will start to log down. This 1 hour, in this duration, this is 1 hour duration, we check in this duration what is the response time and stability, what will be the response time and stability of my application. This is called load testing. In this load testing, actually according to customer requirement, if customer requirement is that maximum 100 user will come on my application, then we apply maximum 100 user, or we can apply less than that as well, or check the response time of the application and stability. Now next is stress testing. In stress testing, basically we apply the more than that the customer requirement. Means what was the customer requirement? Customer requirement was in load testing 100 user per hour will come on my application. But in stress testing, what we will do, in stress testing, if customer require 150 user we will check and 200 user we will check what is the means 1.5x or 2x load we will apply according to that, and we will check in this what will be the response of my application, means how much API taking more time and how much time it's taking. Stress testing nothing but the stability and response time of an application by applying the load more than the design number of user. Means in load testing we check the 100 user, then in stress testing we will apply 150 user or 200 user, and we will check the response of the application. Like that we will apply the load. 150 user, 200 user, 250 user, like that we will apply and check in stress testing. Now next is scalability testing. In scalability testing, basically we check the crash point, means how much user load we will apply so that my application will crash. If suddenly, let's say, if customer requirement 100 user per hour, what will happen if 1000 user per hour load will come? That time my application will get crashed. Scalability testing, let's understand. Testing the stability and response time of application by applying the load more than the design number of user. In this we will apply basically more than the design number of user. Or objective of this, we check the exactly what is the crash point. Like 100 user we test in the load test, then we will apply 150, 200, 250, 300, 400, then 500, like that. Will increase the load and check the at what time my application will crash and it will not respond properly according to requirement. This thing we check in scalability testing, means slowly we scale the application, scale the load and check the at what time exactly my application will crash. Then fourth one is volume testing. In volume testing, basically we check the database response. Actually testing the stability and response time on application by applying the transferring the huge volume of data. In the volume testing we test the capability of database. Let's say my data on my application I can apply 100 GB data at a time, means in parallelly I can upload data 100 GB. But what will happen if I'll apply the load of 200 GB or 300 GB? At that time, what will be the reaction of my application in this means more than the capability? In volume testing, exactly we check that only what will be the response if I apply the huge volume of data on my application. Now fifth one is adherence testing or shock testing. In adherence testing or shock testing, testing the stability and response time of an application by applying the load continuously for a longer period of time. Let's say in load testing, what we do, we apply the customer requirement was for 1 hour my user will stay. But what will happen if that user load will be for 1.5 hour or 2 hour? That time what will be the my application response? What will be the my application response? That thing we check the in adherence testing. Means in load testing customer requirement was for 1 hour 100 user will stay. But what will happen is that 100 user of load will stay for 1.5 hour or 2 hour. That is we check in adherence testing. But in most of the time we check only load testing and stress testing only. Maximum time customer requirement will be load testing or stress testing only. In rare case we check other than the scalability testing and shock testing and volume testing. In rare case only we check. Most of the time we check only load testing and stress testing. These are the 5 types of performance testing. Thank you so much for watching this. Like, share, subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubt or query you can ask in comment box. Thank you so much.